The first layer is solved in two stages. The first stage, you form the cross. The second stage is you insert the four corners one at a time. Forming the cross. Your first piece to go on the top layer does not have to go in the correct position. Let's take this red piece here. If we turn it up, the white's on top, but the red is over the blue. But since it's the first piece, you simply turn the top layer so the color lines up. Now this one, we have the orange here. It's on the side. It's all it's going to take is a 90-degree turn, and now it's in the correct position. These are the ones I really like. Your white piece is on the bottom layer and it's facing down. You line up that color, you give it a 180, and it's lined up. Now your blue one here, we can't just turn it up because it's over the orange, but since we know this one is going to end up right there, it needs to go here. If we move this cube over to here, then turn the blue up, we form the cross, but you just simply turn the top layer and all four colors are lined up and you form the cross. Now you may come across a situation where the white piece is on the bottom row and it's facing out, say the front, and this is going to be the green. We've got three others. We can turn it over to the green, but if we give it a 180, it's not on top. So what you want to do in that situation, whatever color this is green, you turn it to where it's lined up under the correct color, and now you give it a 90-degree turn. This is going to end up here, so we take this open spot, put it in that we give that one turn. The white is now face up, and you turn the top layer back. You've inserted the green, and the orange, the blue, and the red have not been disturbed. The first layer corners, we're going to put those in one at a time, and your corner pieces are either going to be on the top layer or the bottom layer. If it's on the bottom layer with the white facing out the side, that's perfect, exactly where you need it. You match up the corner with the center color that matches it. The orange is going to be on the bottom. The side that the white is on, in this case, that's going to be the left. That's the front. We're going to turn the left face 90 degrees clockwise. We're going to turn the down layer 90 degrees clockwise, and we'll turn the left 90 degrees counterclockwise, and we have inserted the orange and the green corner right where it needs to be. Let's find our next one. Here we go. White's on the bottom facing out. We have a red here, so let's match up the red. There it is. Green's on the bottom. So the side that the white is on, it's in this case left face. We're going to turn the left face 90 degrees clockwise, the down face 90 degrees clockwise, the left face 90 degrees counterclockwise, and we've inserted the red and green first layer corner piece. Now in the situation where the white is on the bottom, you would put that under a corner that's empty, and the way we're holding it, that's the front, that's the left. We're going to give the front a 90-degree counterclockwise turn. That puts the white now on the bottom facing out, but we're going to give it the down layer 90-degree turn clockwise, and then turn the front face 90 degrees clockwise. Now that gets this one here. We're going to match up that color that corresponds. In this case, it's the red. The blue on the bottom. We're going to turn the blue, which is the front face. The front face is going to be turned 90 degrees counterclockwise. The down face, 90 degrees counterclockwise. The front face, 90 degrees clockwise, and we've inserted the red, blue, and white corner where it needs to be. This one we have a white on the top row. We're just going to give the front face a 90-degree turn counterclockwise. Then the bottom, the down face 90 degrees counterclockwise. The front face 90-degree clockwise. Now we're going to line this up with the corresponding color. In this case, it's of the blue. Orange is on the bottom. We're going to turn the orange face, which is the front face. The front face is going 90 degrees clockwise, counterclockwise. The down face 90 degrees counterclockwise, and the front face 90 degrees clockwise, and we've just completed the first layer. The middle layer consists of one stage. We're going to insert the 4 middle layer edge pieces one at a time. Now we're only going to need to learn 2 algorithms. It's one algorithm plus its mirror. Now there are many more out there, but let's just learn the essential one first. I'm going to locate the middle edge piece, like this one's already lined up. Whichever edge piece has its color on the bottom facing out, that's the one you're going to line up with its corresponding center color. So this one is blue-red. We're going to put this one here, and that algorithm is down, left, down prime, left prime, down prime, front prime, down, front, and we've inserted it where it needs to be. Here we go. Now we have blue and orange, and since blue is on the bottom facing out, I'm going to line it up with that color. And this is going to be the mirror algorithm. This one is going to be, that's the front, that's the left as I'm holding it. It goes down prime, front prime, down, front, down, left, down prime, left prime, and it's inserted. Okay, now this has already got us set up for the orange green, and for that algorithm it's going to be down prime, front prime, down, front, down, left, down prime, left prime, and that's got it in there. Now every so often you're going to come across this. The middle layer edge is in the correct spot, but it's in backwards. So what you want to do is either one of those algorithms that'll remove it from that spot, and then just do the corresponding algorithm to reinsert it the correct way. So we're going to do down, left, down prime, left prime, down prime, front prime, down, front. Now it's removed, it's somewhere on the back side. Okay, there's the green red. Since the red is on the bottom facing out, we're going to line it up with its corresponding color. And for that algorithm, it will be down, left, down prime, left prime, down prime, front prime, down, front, and you have just now solved the first two layers.